combos for gaming, a power-packed guide. Introduction. Choosing the best CPU and GPU combo for gaming is one of the most crucial decisions for building a high-performance PC. Whether you're aiming for 1080p, 1440p, or 4K gaming, the right pairing ensures smooth gameplay, high frame rates, and an optimized experience. In this guide, we'll explore some of the best CPU and GPU combinations based on different budget levels and gaming needs. Understanding the CPU-GPU balance. A powerful GPU is essential for rendering graphics, but without a capable CPU, performance bottlenecks can occur. A well-matched CPU-GPU combo ensures that neither component holds back the other. Here's how we categorize the best pairs. 1. Budget gaming, 1080p 60 to 144 Hz. 2. Mid-range gaming, 440p 165 Hz. 3. High-end gaming, 4K 120+. Best budget CPU and GPU combos, P gaming. For budget gamers, the focus is on maximizing performance per dollar while ensuring a smooth gaming experience in popular esports and AAA titles at 1080p resolution. 1. AMD Ryzen 5 5600 plus NVIDIA RTX 3060. Why this combo? The Ryzen 5 5600 is a great 6-core, 12-thread processor offering excellent gaming performance without breaking the bank. The RTX 3060 delivers solid 1080p performance and some entry-level 1440p capability. Best for Fortnite, Apex Legends, Warzone, and GTA 5. Pros: affordable and power-efficient. Strong multi-core performance. Supports PCIe 4.0 for faster SSDs. Cons: limited ray tracing performance. 2. Intel Core i5-12400F plus AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT. Why this combo? The i5-12400F is one of the best budget CPUs with 6 cores and a high single-core speed, making it great for gaming. The RX 6600 XT competes well with the RTX 3060, offering great performance for 1080p gaming. Best for Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, Valorant, and Assassin's Creed. Pros: great price-to-performance ratio, low power consumption, future-proof with PCIe 4.0 support. Cons: no integrated graphics, F-series CPUs lack iGPU. Best mid-range CPU and GPU combos, 1440p gaming. For gamers who want higher resolutions and better frame rates, mid-range combos are the best value. 3. AMD Ryzen 7 5800X3D plus NVIDIA X47. Why this combo? The 5800X3D is one of the best gaming CPUs thanks to its massive L3 cache, while the RTX 4070 delivers excellent 1440p performance with DLSS 3 support. Best for AAA games like Elden Ring, Cyberpunk 2077, and Red Dead Redemption 2. Pros: outstanding gaming performance, energy-efficient GPU with great ray tracing performance, long-lasting AM4 platform support. Cons: no support for DDR5 RAM. 4. Intel Core i7-13700K plus AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT. Why this combo? The i7-13700K is a powerhouse with 16 cores, 8P plus 8E, making it excellent for gaming and streaming. Paired with the RX 7800 XT, this setup handles demanding games at high settings. Best for 1440p ultra settings in games like Starfield, The Witcher 3, and Battlefield 2042. Pros: strong gaming and productivity performance, future-proof with DDR5 and PCIe 5.0 support, excellent cooling efficiency. Cons: high power consumption. Best high-end CPU and GPU combos, 4K gaming and beyond. For enthusiasts who want to game at ultra settings in 4K, these high-end combinations deliver top-tier performance. 5. AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3Ds, NVIDIA RTX 4090. Why this combo? The Ryzen 9 7950X3D is AMD's top-tier gaming CPU with 3D V-cache for insane FPS boosts. The RTX 4090 is simply the most powerful GPU available, delivering unmatched performance at 4K. Best for any game at 4K, including Microsoft Flight Simulator, Hogwarts Legacy, and Crysis Remastered. Pros: best-in-class gaming performance, DLSS 3 and ray tracing capabilities, PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 support. Cons: very expensive. 6. Intel Core i9-14900K plus AMD RX 7900 XTX. Why this combo? If you prefer an all-AMD or Intel